Hi folks, Bobby Stevens, General Manager at Wilson Hyundai on Lakeland Drive here. Just wanted to come to you today for a moment and talk about what we're doing during our statewide stay-at-home order. As you already know, your transportation is essential to your lifestyle, and we're going to be here no matter what. We're not closing, we're not going anywhere. What we are doing is offering anyone who comes in and has an oil change done with us a free disinfection of your current vehicle. All of our new vehicles are disinfected, all of our facilities have been disinfected and are done so daily. We have been here for you for over 30 years and we're not going anywhere. Our hours for service are Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 6. Parts, Monday through Friday from 7:30 to 6. Saturday service from 8 to 2, parts from 8 to 2, and sales Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 8, Saturday 8:30 to 6. Remember, buy happy and healthy is the Wilson.